Okay, so in the previous class, we just passed how to create variables, how to work with if statements, else, elif, and we also passed loops, for loop, for I in range, and we also passed while loop. So in today's class, we are going to pass lists, okay? Python lists. Yeah. Do you know how to create Python lists?
So
Like, do you know how to assign a list?
no, at all. No, no,
Okay.
no, no,
So
no.
list is
Yeah,
like, for example, when you go shopping, you have a list, right? So list of items that you
yeah,
buy, okay?
yeah.
So what do you buy at the shop usually?
Mm. Tomato, drinks.
So you said that you go to shopping to buy
Okay,
for some drinks, some cereal, some bread, okay? Some like,
all right.
yeah. So for food or for car, for home, for decoration, something, for your dog. So this is your list. So Python has the same list structure. So let's create our list. Can you type like shopping list, shopping underscore list variable name? Just like age is equal to 4, just like this. Shopping list is equal to, yeah.
Yeah,
So can you create a
yeah,
shopping list? Just like
yeah, it's
shopping,
yeah. All right. No, no,
yeah.
no, no, no.
Variable name,
All right.
shopping underscore list. Yeah, underscore list. Yep. So this is your variable now. Let's assign it as a
Yeah.
list. So to make a list, you should write like this. Let me annotate it. You should write like this brackets. Yep. By clicking shift and these curly brackets. Okay, so inside, do you know how to create strings, right?
Yes.
String.
No.
So create some string variable like drink, yes, and put comma after this quotation. Yep, and write your another string. Yep, for example, shoes. Yeah, just print it. Cup. Okay. Yeah. So now just print this shopping list. No, it's not printed. You just assign it. You should use print. Print shopping list.
Mhm.
Yep, print shopping list. Yep, and try now. Yeah,
Yeah.
drink scoop. So this is your list. Now, can you create a list called friend's name?
Called what?
Friend's name.
All right.
Friends? No. Friends. Friend.
Right.
Friends. You shouldn't use this string quotation. You should just use without it. Yes, friend's name. Yeah, is equal to, and in the brackets put your friend's name, real friends. Yep, merci opportunities. Yep, so you're
Yeah.
printing friend's name. Okay. Sherigold, merci pour Shalom, Lekan. Okay, so this is your friend's name. What about
Yeah.
the this is like strings. What about the integers? Like friend's age and the age of your each friend.
Right.
Yeah, now yeah. This was strings, now let's use integers. Friend's age. Age.
So now we're assigning friend's age.
Yep.
Yeah.
Friend's age, yep. And then your friend's age. Like 13, 19, 18, 20.
All right.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Can you print it?
Okay. So we're printing our friend's age.
Yep, friend's age.
Now,
So this
right.
is your friend's age. Yeah, correct. You can also
Now what if
create
we
like, yep.
okay. Okay, for integers, we don't need to use our sign, or like for strings, our double quote. So we just input our integer straight up instead of using our double quote as for string.
Uh like what do you mean?
No, no, I'm just saying it like for integers, we don't need to assign string because they are integers, not string. So we don't need to assign our double quote.
Oh
Not
yeah,
necessary.
yeah, just
Yeah,
without brackets. You can also like wrap them, but it will not be integers anymore. It will be like strings, okay?
the string, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
So for example, can you write um like the list of, let's say, doc information, doc underscore info, doc, like cat and dog, yeah, doc, no, doc like
Okay,
woof,
this.
yeah, doc info,
Yeah.
yeah, and you should use underscore, like underscore names, not like big G in the doc. I mean, you should like make G smaller. Yeah. Okay. So doc info is equal to. So now create a list. List. Yep. Put doc's name. Like for example, Rex. No, no, no. You don't like just string and the doc name. String. Yeah. Bingo. Okay. Bingo. And next item, let's do it like doc's age. Age. No, no, no. Doc's age. We are describing one doc, so that's why. No, no, no. In the doc info, don't do that. No need to assign to a new variable. Just yeah, inside of it. Yeah. Just bingo, bingo, and the age. Let's say 30. No, no need to write age. Just write the age. Like 2. Okay, 2 years old, and write the owner name. Owner name. Uh, like it's string. So you forgot something? Yep. Yeah. So print this. Oh, you didn't print it? Yeah.
Six is after six already. It's after six already.
So can you see that
Oh,
you can create array using the string, using just
yeah,
integers, and then mix it, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, for example, how to print the first
Can you hear
item?
me? Can you hear me? Can you
Or
hear me? Can you hear me?
game?
Yeah, every class now.
Okay, so in the next class we're gonna learn how. So we just learned how to create them. So in the next class we're going to learn how to um, like create like distinguish their lengths, how to um, work with their like only drink from the shopping list like that, only the first element, like only all the elements except one like that. Okay,